Lalab Josephine for allowing me to greet to Sir Engineer Shafaye. It's her birthday today. And Sir Shafaye, miss ka na naming kulitan sa comment section sa white. Hindi ka na nakagala. Super busy. By the way, stay good health, more blessings to come. Stay generous. Love, love, love with Lalabs Josephine. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Yeah! It's a shovel cake with candles. Happy birthday to you. God bless. Stay healthy, Sir Shafaye. Stay generous with Lalabs Josephine. Super mabait, super masipag. Happy birthday ulit, Sir Engineer Shafaye. Here's your cake. Siupaw cake. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. More blessings to come. Yeah, blow. Blow your cake. Siupaw cake. With sesame. Black sesame. Sharap. Happy birthday to you. Siupaw cake. Okay. Make a wish. Sir Shafaye. Make a wish. Blow your cake. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Bye-bye. Thank you, Lalabs Josephine. Love, love, love. Love, 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 love. Happy birthday to you.
Hello, my friend Safayette. I just wanna wish you your special day. Makes you a laugh and smile, and doesn't just pass by. Instead, it will last for a while. Wishing you a happiness and bring you a lots of moments. Happy birthday! Hope we stay connected in the YT community and the YT world. Happy birthday, my friend! Thank you for always there and supporting me too on my YouTube. Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Hello, Shapayet! Happy birthday! Wish you all more birthdays to come and more blessings to come to you, my friend. I wanna sing you a happy birthday, okay? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, my friend. May the Lord God bless you. May the Lord God bless you. May the Lord God, may the Lord God, may the Lord God bless you. Happy birthday, Shapayet. Wish you more birthdays to come and more blessings to come. Enjoy your day with your sweetheart. Bye, Shapayet.
Good morning, everyone, YouTube friends. For today's February 21, we have a friend to celebrate him birthday. So I'd like to greet him. Happy birthday to you, Shafayed Hussein. So wishing you all the best. Hope more success, more happiness, and also more power to your channel, and also congratulations as well. So stay humble, continue to upload your video in your channel, and always be careful to your word. So more blessing and blessed to you. And once again, happy birthday to you, Shafayet Hussein. Stay what you are. Yeah. And looking forward to your channel. And be humble always. Stay makulit. Yeah. Thank you so much for being there to support also as well. Yeah. Once again, happy birthday to you. Hope you enjoy your day. And enjoy every moment of your birthday this February 21. And once again, happy birthday to you.
Everyone, it's
Bye.
me, Joy Hingpit or Joy Wa Gabae. I'm here in front of you guys. Now you see me already. To those who don't know me yet, I'm Joy Hingpit or Joy Wa Gabae is one person only. So anyway, guys, I'm here in front of you just to greet someone who's celebrating his special day. No other than is Shafayet Hussein. I just know him in YouTube, guys, and I think 2 months or going to 3 months. I just know him, and he's very supportive to my channel, and I'm so thankful that one. And also, even though he's busy to his work, but he trying his best that he can support to my channel. So I'm so thankful that I know you, Shafayet Hussein, and I want to say happy birthday to you and wishing you all the best and good health always around you, and take care always to yourself, and please take good care of her. You know who is she already. So anyway, guys, Shafayet is already monetized, so congratulations, and take good care to your channel, and just keep uploading videos and keep up the good work. So once again, happy birthday and have a blast. See you. And